How to get rid of musty carpet odor. Do your carpets have an unpleasant, musty odor? If so, keep watching because this video is for you. Flooding after a storm, water dripping from plants, humidity in the air, or even a spilled drink that wasn't cleaned up properly can all cause carpets to smell musty. While it may be easier to ignore musty carpet odors, they can actually turn into a health risk by introducing mold spores into the air. The good news is that musty carpet scents are easily removed by following a few simple steps. 1. Make sure the carpet is completely dry. The main culprit behind musty-smelling carpet is too much moisture. Your carpet has to be dried out as soon as possible if there is any water damage. Open the windows, turn on fans and dehumidifiers, and, if there has been flooding, it's best to consult a flood cleanup specialist. 2. Vacuum to remove debris. When the carpet has dried, thoroughly vacuum the area to remove as much dirt and debris as you can. Pay specific attention to areas with thick carpet piles. 3. Neutralize the odors. Here are some all-natural methods to eliminate those musty smells. Vinegar and water. Add 2 cups of warm water to 1 cup of white vinegar. Fill a spray bottle with the mixture, then spritz it over the smelly carpet. Don't oversaturate the carpet as this might result in the creation of mold. Baking soda. One of the greatest odor neutralizers is baking soda. It's safe around both animals and people, so feel free to sprinkle generously on carpet problem areas. Spread it liberally over the carpet, on top of the vinegar mixture previously used for the best results. When applied to wet carpets, baking soda aids in moisture absorption and eliminates odors. Apply to the troublesome areas before bed, and then vacuum the following morning for optimal results. It takes time for the baking soda and vinegar combination to work. The longer you leave it, the more effective it is. If the smell continues, try a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water. Mix together 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 5 parts water, add to a spray bottle, spritz the carpet, and then allow it time to work. This deodorizes any musty smell caused by water damage and aids in the neutralization of mold spores. For a direct attack on severe carpet odors, combine vinegar and baking soda. Combine 2 cups of warm water with 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Sponge immediately onto damaged areas, allow to dry, and then vacuum. If you have a problem area where nothing else has worked, try adding borax to baking soda. Baking soda's deodorizing power is increased with the help of the natural mineral borax. Combine together half a cup of baking soda and half a cup of borax. Add a dozen drops of your favorite essential oil and stir thoroughly. Spray the stinky carpet with this solution, then wait at least an hour before vacuuming. Let us know in the comments which tip worked best for you in getting rid of your musty carpet smell. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.